come from Manchester to entertain you up on stage this evening. They've come from Manchester, they performed with Shah Rukh Khan twice, apparently, alongside Atif Aslam as well, and Philip's first gig here as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together, give a warm welcome to two very beautiful and very talented young ladies who go by the name of Sonash. Big round of applause, please.
Ladies